I'm gonna make some mayonnaise. We'll see. I got some garlic, lemons, Dijon mustard, some chilies there for the chili variety. I'm gonna need salt as well. Mayo takes quite a lot of salt. I got some eggs. Yep, so let's peel a couple of garlic cloves. I need some, a decent one. Oh, there. Oh, that's another decent one. Okay, perfect. If you want to peel your garlic easily, just give it a little tap with the knife like that, and it should come right off. I suppose we'll chop our chilies. Let's juice a lemon. This, oh yeah, if you roll your lemon like this, it'll be a bit easier to juice, but so this recipe is obviously inspired by Kenji. And just like Kenji, I also like my mayo quite lemony. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. Garlic clove, some Dijon mustard, put a decent amount in, some salt. I'm not measuring here. If it's not enough, I can always add more. Just keep in mind you can add more, but you can never take away, so just be careful. One whole egg. And I'm going to use sunflower oil. Now, I'm kind of low on the sunflower oil, so I'm going to make my chili version. Immersion blender at the bottom. It's not quite thick enough and I'm out with sunflower oil, so I'm going to try and top it up with rapeseed oil. We'll see how that turns out. That's better. You do need to use a neutral oil for mayonnaise. Give it a try. That's actually good. Okay. Let's get it in a jar. Mayonnaise. Unfortunately I ran out of oil, so I had to top it up with rapeseed oil. Not the best oil for it, to be honest. And I think I've made it a little thinner than I liked. If you want to thicken up your mayonnaise, if it's a bit too thin, you want to add more oil.